complex turned into the venue for an unusual protest on July 31st as opposition MPs staged Chanda Chori Street theatre performance to target the central government over several issues, with the alleged Ram Mandir donation theft case becoming the focal point of the demonstration. The opposition also demanded accountability from Union Home Minister Amit Shah, urging him to attend the ongoing parliament proceedings and respond to the recent police action against students. As slogans such as Chanda Chor, Gaddi Chod, Jawab Tumko Dena Hoga and Amit Shah Sadan Mein Aavo echoed across the parliament complex. Purnia MP Pappu Yadav appeared dressed in saffron robes, portraying a temple priest collecting offerings from devotees. He carried a photograph of Lord Ram of Ayodhya as part of the symbolic protest. The demonstration was staged in the form of a street play. Opposition MPs acted as devotees and stepped forward to place donations into a collection box. However, in a dramatic twist, the priest portrayed by Pappu Yadav quietly slipped the money into his pocket instead of placing it in the donation box. Samajwadi Party MP, acting as a devotee, confronted him over the alleged illegal act. Through satire and symbolism, the priest denied any wrongdoing and insisted that no donation had been stolen before making a theatrical escape from the crowd of angry devotees. The performance was aimed at highlighting the opposition's allegations regarding the alleged theft of donations made at the Ram Mandir. The opposition has been repeatedly raising the issue of the alleged Ram Mandir donation theft and demanding answers from the concerned authorities. The protest was joined by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, who participated in the demonstration against the alleged theft of the Ram Temple donation, as well as the police crackdown on student protesters during the July 20th march to the parliament. Meanwhile, both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha were adjourned until August 3rd amid continuous sloganeering and disruptions by opposition members. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.